Hemang, thank you very much for joining in, counting down to the day and the week. For the day, we're ending at 22,050. So after breaching that level yesterday, at least today we managed to hold on to it. So 350 points were lost yesterday. Of that, we seem to have recovered close to about 100 odd points. But for the entire week, it's still going to be a cut of close to about 2%, while the mid-caps are going to go home with a cut of 2.7%. Despite the relative outperformance today, the mid-cap index ending with a gain of nearly 1%. The big star sector was FMCG today as well. It saw some gains, 1.25% higher for the FMCG index. Autos did well today. The Nifty Auto Index was up 1%. PSUs continue to flip-flop, one day up, one day down, but today seeing some strength. In the PSU basket, it's BPCL, which deserves mention. Strong numbers. The management commentary in the conference call was positive. There is a bonus issue of 1:1. BPCL, NTPC, some of the gainers. Along with that, Power Grid. Asian Paints recovers after yesterday's big fall. Hero MotoCorp is the big winner for the week. 2% up today, 7% for the entire week. And on the way down, IT came in for some pressure. The Nifty IT index down 1%, with TCS weak, and Cipla, of course, reacting to the numbers, and Cipla ending down 1.5%.
Yeah, that was a disappointment that played out on Cipla. But otherwise, the mid-cap market has had a very good comeback. As we're looking at stocks on the upside, Polycab definitely was the stock of the day in terms of positive earnings reaction. Muthoot and Manappuram managed a recovery 4-5% higher after the midweek jitters with the RBI norms on cash disbursements of gold loans. What else? If we talk about top volume gainers, then some of the other names, the other gaining names, included Zomato, which we were just discussing. Restaurant Brands Asia, 4% higher on big volumes actually playing out. And then you have a couple of names from the PSU side, including Hindustan Copper, SAIL, some of these metal stocks, PSU metal stocks, having a pretty good session for today. Bank of Baroda, by the way, is ending almost 3% lower, so that goes down as another negative result reaction. Actually, a lot of PSU banks were weak today. SBI, Bank of India, Union Bank, not the best of days for PSU banking. Speaking of banks, the Nifty Bank is ending absolutely flat, underperforming the Nifty. Not much headway on the Nifty Bank for today. Well, with that, it is curtains on trade for today, this Friday, as well as this week. But don't go anywhere, because our Friday special Editors Roundtable is coming right after this break.